Hello from Mymedpharm.info, a knowledge hub for medical translators and writers. Do you know the difference between an adverse event and an adverse reaction to a medicinal product? To answer this question properly, we should refer to regulatory documents, as these are the terms used in clinical trials and pharmacovigilance. According to the European Guideline on Good Pharmacovigilance Practices, an adverse event in the context of a clinical trial is defined as any untoward medical occurrence in a subject to whom a medicinal product is administered, and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with this treatment. The subject here is a participant in a clinical trial. In the context of pharmacovigilance and outside a clinical trial, so in clinical practice, an adverse event is defined as any untoward medical occurrence in a patient to whom a medicinal product is administered and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with this treatment. Therefore, an adverse event can be any unfavorable and unintended sign, like an abnormal laboratory finding, a symptom or a disease which is temporarily associated with the use of a medicinal product, whether or not it's considered related to this medicinal product. According to the same guideline, adverse reaction is a response to a medicinal product which is noxious and unintended. So an adverse reaction is related to the treatment, and an adverse event might not be. For example, if a patient has a nasty fall during a clinical trial or a treatment prescribed by their doctor, the fall will be considered an adverse event and investigated. If there is evidence that the medication affects the vestibular system, the fall will be considered an adverse reaction and included in the drug label. The terms side effect or undesirable effect that might come to your mind after watching this video are not used in clinical trial and pharmacovigilance. They are used in the drug labels or package leaflets to list all adverse events that were reported and deemed to have causal relationship with the use of the drug product. Therefore, the terms side effect and undesirable effect are synonyms for adverse reaction, not adverse event. Thank you for watching. Which terms shall we discuss next time?